Hello everyone, my name is Prashant and welcome to EasyTech AI channel. So today we will learn about how to use the recorder. So guys, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to get the latest video. So we will see with the practical here. At the top, we can able to see the icon for recorder. Okay, so just we need to click on this. Okay, when we clicked, then we have this universal recorder window appear. Okay, so from there we can able to select the two type of the recorder. One is the universal recorder and one is the AISense recorder. Then we supposed to understand on which scenario we supposed to use the universal and on which scenario we supposed to use the AISense recorder. So universal recorder we can use to record web based as well as the desktop based application. Okay, and for AISense recorder, we can record the screen on a remote application like Citrix, or we can say the legacy applications. We can record it through the AISense. Okay, so as of now we are using this universal. So I have selected the universal and then I'm clicking on the record here. Okay, so the recording has been started. So I'll navigate to this screen. So basically here I'm going to create the Gmail account. Okay, so here we have two text boxes are available. Okay, so when I over the mouse, the then it is highlighted with the red border. Okay, so here you can see the first name text box is there. Okay, so it is highlighted with the red. Whichever object has been captured, those it is showing with the red border. Okay, so here I'm just inserting first name as a ABC. Okay, and I need to capture the last name. Okay, XYZ. Okay, and then I supposed to click on the next. Okay, so here you can see the next object has been identified. Then I'll quickly click on there. Okay, so that's it. I'll click on the finish. Okay, okay, so here you can see the all captures are available. So basically when we should use the recorder, because we have a capture also available. If I'll go here in the actions, so here if I type the recorder, then the recorder package, inside the recorder package capture is available. Then if we have the capture, then why we should use the recorder here? Okay, so the recorder is something we can record the multiple task or the multiple window at the one go. Okay, so that is why we can use it. Here you can see this is the bunch of the capture. Okay, so that is why we can use it. If we have the multiple objects are appeared on that particular screen, then every time dragging that capture and doing some activity, that is very time consuming process. So that is why we can use the recorder here. Okay, and once we have everything is captured, then we can make it dynamic. Okay, so here you can see the enter keystroke. So inside this particular text box we have entered a ABC. Okay, so instead of this, if you want to get the value from other fields or from other we can get the value from any of the Excel, then just you can pass it here. Okay, and here you can see the properties are also available. So based on your convenient, you can check the properties and you can edit it. Okay, so these all options are available, and action to take on the. Okay, so here you can see these type of actions are available, so you can use it based on your convenient here. So I am inserting the text, so that is why it is using the set text here. Okay, and here ABC. Okay, so this is the first, and the second, the last name also. Here you can see the this is the window variable, this is the title, and here you can see it has been captured, and this is the, if I clicked on here, like which object we have captured, it is showing here. Okay, and here the actions. Okay, so here we have selected the set text action, and the text we have inserted as a XYZ. So again I'm repeating, like based on your convenient you can make it dynamic, because since the recorder we can capture the object and we can insert the value static whatever, like if we are inserting something and suppose we have the multiple values are there, and based on the loop we need to read the values and insert it on that particular object, then you can use it with the dynamic. You can use the loop and you can insert all these captures inside this particular loop whatever. Okay, so here the xyz we have inserted, and here are the properties. Okay, so whatever the properties are available for that particular object, those are available here. So based on your convenient you can just okay, so I'm not selecting anything or editing here. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the save, and at the last also we have this. Okay, clicking on the next. Okay, so here on that particular button we have these many actions. So the clicked action was selected here. Okay, that's it. We will just run the bot right now. Just a second, I'll just remove the values from here. Okay, I'll abort it again. Okay, and I'll retrigger it, clicking on run. Now it should activate this particular tab, create your Google account, and then it needs to insert the first name and the last name and click on the next. Okay, activated the tab. Something went wrong here. Line number 2, what happened? Set text. Oh no, here just we need to perform the click because this window was appearing here. Okay, okay, so this particular capture has performed twice, so I'll remove one of the capture here. Okay, and then here you can see it has been inserted the xyz in the last name. So what we can do, we can use the capture. Okay, so for one field for first name. Okay, so what we can do, I'll just click on the first line and then I drag the capture here. Okay, and then here from here I'll select this particular window. Okay, and then yeah, and from here I'll capture it. Okay, the first name. Okay, so it has been captured. Okay, so here I'm covering the capture action also and the recorder option also. So okay, so here the apart from this second line, all was captured through the recorder, and the second from the capture action from the recorder package. Okay, so here here the action to take on the object, so I'm just selecting this set text and the here ABC. Okay, that's it, save it. Okay, so by mistakenly the first object was came twice, so that is why we removed it, and yeah, we have again created for this first name here. Okay, so now I can run it. Let me run again. Okay, so this tab is activated, inserted the ABC and inserted the XYZ. Okay, and it clicked on the next.